Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new Insta360 X4 Air and GoPro Max 2. The Insta360 X4 Air brings a 165-gram pocket-friendly body, 8K 360-degree video, 15-meter waterproofing, and strong low-light results. On the other hand, GoPro Max 2 brings true 8K capture, built-in GPS, rugged controls, and excellent mounting flexibility for action shooters. Both cameras make immersive 360 footage easier, but one is built more for travel convenience, and the other is built more for adventure setups. So the big question is, should you choose portability and low-light flexibility, or stronger action features and mounts? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two 360 cameras, and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design, portability, and durability, because this is where the Insta360 X4 Air immediately feels different from a typical action camera. At 165 grams, it is light enough to carry every day, and its slimmer body makes it easier to slip into a pocket, small sling bag, or travel pouch without feeling like extra gear. That matters with a 360 camera, because the best shot often happens when you are not planning to shoot. It also brings waterproofing down to 15 meters, which means you can take it deeper underwater without needing extra housing for many casual adventure scenarios. On the other hand, GoPro Max 2 has a squarer action camera shape that feels rugged, practical, and ready for helmets, bikes, and outdoor mounts, but it is less discreet for everyday carry. Its waterproofing reaches 5 meters, and its tool-free lens replacement is very convenient when a lens gets scratched in the field. So if you value a lighter camera that is easier to carry and offers deeper waterproofing, the Insta360 X4 Air has the stronger design advantage. Moving on to controls, mounting, and ease of use, the GoPro Max 2 feels very familiar if you have used a GoPro before. It uses a simple 2-button control setup, a bright 1.82-inch touchscreen, and a straightforward interface that makes recording quick when you are wearing gloves, moving fast, or setting up a shot outdoors. The biggest advantage is mounting flexibility, because it supports classic GoPro mounting fingers, a standard tripod thread, and GoPro's magnetic latch system. That means cyclists, helmet users, vloggers, and action creators get more options straight out of the box. On the other hand, the Insta360 X4 Air keeps things simple with a single button layout and a larger 2.5-inch touchscreen, which helps when checking menus and previews. The compact body can make small icons feel a little fiddly, but the Insta360 app gives a much better preview and smoother control experience from a phone. So if you value fast physical controls, built-in mounting options, and a huge accessory ecosystem, the GoPro Max 2 is the easier camera to build around. When it comes to video quality and shooting flexibility, both cameras are built around 8K 360-degree capture, which means they record the full scene around you and let you reframe the shot later for vertical clips, wide travel shots, or standard YouTube footage. The Insta360 X4 Air delivers sharp and colorful 8K footage with punchy results straight out of the camera, and Insta360's reframing tools make it easy to turn one 360 recording into several different angles. That is useful when you do not want to worry about pointing the camera perfectly while filming. On the other hand, GoPro Max 2 pushes harder for action-focused creators, with true 8K capture, strong daylight detail, vibrant colors, and very useful frame rate options, like 5.6K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second. Those higher frame rates matter because they make fast movement look smoother and give you more room for slow-motion edits. So if you value maximum daylight sharpness and more flexible frame rates for sports or action scenes, the GoPro Max 2 has the stronger video toolkit. When it comes to low-light performance, battery, heat, and audio, the comparison becomes more balanced because each camera has a different strength. The Insta360 X4 Air does a surprisingly good job in darker scenes, holding onto color, detail, and shadow information without making the footage look overly smeared. That is important for night markets, evening walks, indoor travel clips, and casual creator content where lighting is not always perfect. It also offers a stated battery life of 88 minutes, which is usable for short shooting sessions sessions, but extra batteries are still smart for longer days. On the other hand, GoPro Max 2 is stronger for audio, with 6 built-in microphones and directional sound that can help voices feel more focused during action clips. Its 1,960 mAh battery can handle more than an hour of outdoor 8K recording, which is solid for such high-resolution footage, but indoor overheating can become an issue. That means if you prioritize cleaner low-light footage with less editing effort, the Insta360 X4 Air is the safer creative pick. Moving on to software, editing, and everyday value, the Insta360 X4 Air has a major advantage because Insta360's mobile app and desktop tools feel more mature for 360-degree workflows. Reframing is the big deal here, because 360 video lets you choose your angle after recording, almost like having an invisible camera operator following the action. Insta360 makes that process feel simple with smooth previews, fast edits, and easy exports for social media or longer videos. It also costs $399.99, which makes it easier to recommend for travelers, casual creators, and anyone buying their first serious 360 camera. On the other hand, GoPro Max 2 costs $499.99, and its quick app and desktop player are useful, especially for basic keyframe reframing and quick edits. It also adds built-in GPS, which is great for outdoor creators who want location data and activity overlays. That means if you prioritize smoother editing, stronger portability, and better overall value, the Insta360 X4 Air is the more practical everyday choice. As for my final verdict, the Insta360 X4 Air is the better choice for travelers, casual creators, and anyone who wants a lighter 360 camera with cleaner low-light footage, deeper waterproofing, and easier editing at a lower price. On the other hand, GoPro Max 2 is better for action shooters, cyclists, helmet users, and creators already invested in GoPro mounts who want stronger daylight video flexibility. That's all for today's video. Subscribe for more comparisons, and comment below if you have any questions.